Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And yes, I have a face cam. I've been waiting forever to do that. You already read the title. You know what we're gonna do today. Hey guys. This video was supposed to come out like 3 months ago. I just didn't do it. Just had to do it. So that, and yeah, the other videos. So this mod released way too long ago. So we can do this. Go here. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Hold on. I should. Okay, now you should actually hear me. Help me, please. Help. Oh no. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god, throw these through the wall. Throw these through the floors. I need to get into a interior room to not die. We're gonna turn this on. There's already holes in the wall. That's not good. Why does this guy have a shopping center? Why is it good? Off. Hold on. It's so loud. I need to escape to a vehicle. How am I gonna do that? Okay, let's blow hole. No, it's kind of useful. Oh no. Oh no. It goes through the roof. Go. Oh no. Oh no. Please don't blow up. Please don't blow up. I'm going. Please. Fish truck, save me. No. Okay, how are we still alive, by the way? How is my car not? Okay, we're getting hit. That's those propane tanks inside of the truck. We need to move. Go. Oh, okay, these aren't. Okay, go. Oh. There's no escape. Help me. Don't care. Break the rules. Who cares? Oh no. Get me out of here. Help. Oh no. Oh, Jesus. It's everywhere. Yeah, I think we should go to a less open map. How about Frustrum? Even though that's way more open. At least you can get around. And that's the only benefit. That's the only benefit. I'm getting in the car. And I'm gonna. Where is it? Where's the thing? Also, the video I was supposed to make today was hacking Cookie Clicker, except Twitch corrupted, so that's nice. I should run. Go, car, help me, save me, please. No. Go. Oh no. the frame rate. Okay. What is it? Is it gone? I didn't mean to click. Alright. Okay. I think you just can't operate it in a car. So. Also, let's just turn this up. That I chose the wrong thing. I chose the wrong thing. Stop. Oh Jesus. Okay, you out of here. Oh. Okay, what I meant to do was propane canister, not tank. Luckily, I turned the settings down. Oh God. See, I'm not being. Okay, it's just not being thwarted by. My mouse is not working. That's. Okay, hold on. Just. Okay, let's go. Alright. It's raining. It's raining. Oh, the bridge isn't up? Oh my God, I am so dead. Don't. Oh. Okay, the bridge is gonna blow up. Come on, don't blow up, please. Oh, I beg of you. Wait, there's a rock in the way. Wait. Bombs, please, bomb this. Yes, bomb it. Bomb it. Didn't strike by. Okay, let's make it through before the apocalypse happens. Oh, that was close. Oh, thanks for oh God. Okay, let's go. Go. Oh, there's propane tanks landing in my car. Okay, we're good. Oh God, my frame rate's dying. Oh no. Oh no. The apocalypse. It's the apocalypse of my goddamn frame rate. Jesus. Oh God. Oh God, I'm dead. How am I not dead? How am I not dead? Stop. Move. I don't want to die. Okay, I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I should get in a building. I should not get in a building. Okay, I'm going here and I'm getting this truck. Don't. Oh God, I broke my own. Oh, I broke my own truck. It's much easier on my computer. You can stop flying in now. Actually, let's upgrade it to. Hold on. We gotta. God mode. Crates. Propane glycerin. Don't know what that means. What is that? Oh God. Oh God. It's a bigger explosion. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Go. Move. How am I alive? Oh God. Move. Jesus. In the building. This house okay? Okay, this room's okay. Close the door. I don't want to. This might be a bad idea. Oh God! There's remains of bombs in here. Oh Jesus! Oh okay. Oh. Alright. I'm just gonna go into. Oh no! Oh no! Stop it. I'm trying to do something. Okay. New rule, building. um, uh, propane, propane glycerin, something. Oh, Jesus. Help me. Help me. Help me. Oh, it's cool in here. It would suck if the bomb would explode the door. Oh no! Okay, my computer is not having a good time here. I think the bombs are already going to the first. Okay, what the hell happened here? Shot through the goddamn sky. Oh, Jesus, that was not me. My computer's dead. I was gonna get in that. I was gonna get in that car, Mr. Gam. Okay, run. Go. Gee, they go everywhere. Go. There's still tiny canisters. Oh jeez. Oh, move. Jeez. All right. I'm dead. How am I not dead? I'm dead. I'm dead, aren't I? Okay, I'm alive. I just have to. My building's dead. I have to get to that building that's already been struck. Oh no. Oh, I'm safe. Heal. Oh, okay, go. They'll never catch me in here. Okay, maybe they will. They definitely 100% will. How do I climb up this ladder? Go! Oh no. This is my one life goal. I have to make it up here. No! Oh no. Oh, the building's gonna fall. Okay, we're good. We're not gonna die. Except we will. Help me, please. Hold on. Help. That, why is this building gonna fall? These things, let's check them. Oh. Yeah, everything's just around me and I'm dead. With, how is that truck still alive? That building's gone. That building's roof is gone. This building's fine. This building's fine. Actually, there's a whole, this building is fine, sort of. This building's not good. This building's dead. I don't know how this hasn't exploded. I don't know how that hasn't exploded either. How's that? How's this one not exploded? Okay, I think we should move out. Okay, I can't move out. I am squished in here. How am I alive? Help me. Oh god, that one's gonna fall on me. Okay, never mind. Just gonna. Okay, let's. My mouse is not mousing. Oh no. I can't move. God damn it. Oh, Oh, I'm up. My help sign's gone. The ladder's, oh. I should get back to my crawl space thing. Okay, cover. Work, please. Work, cover. Oh, jeez. Oh, there's the ladder. It's on the other side. Huh. I need to get down there without breaking any of the So I'd rather not go to the downside. That might kill me. That might be. Oh, wait. Oh God. I thought we had cover. Next map. Alright, we are in lee of the chemicals that are in lee. Alright, okay, this spawn point is just not good. We'll just say spawn points here. Night train. What is that? What is night train? Oh God! Okay, stop, please. I think I'm already gonna die. If I'm already dead. I'm not. How am I not dead? 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 Alright, try to. Let me in. Oh God, this building's gonna be demolished. Oh no. In the bathroom. This place should be safe. This place should be safe, but if it's unsafe, then what the hell? The place unsaves, then we're dead. That I can see the bombs. I wonder if I can detonate one from up here or down here. Oh! Oh, there's a voxel hole. How'd they go through? I wonder if I could shoot one through here. One would come through the hole. Alright, help. Oh, Jesus. That car's gone. I'm dead. Stop now. Go. Okay, this is my safe spot. I shouldn't die here. I hope. I should not die here. Oh. I should not die here. Hold on. I should not die. What the hell is going on? There's stuff bouncing around. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no. Oh. Go. Let me out. Go. I'm going to the nuclear reactor room. Just kidding, I'm going in here because I'm scared. This place is full of stuff. Let me out. Let me out of my cage. Oh God. We're out. I'm in a storage container. If that was real life, I would be really scared, but I should be more scared that if I go outside I die, which is about real life right now. Yeah. Oh God, I'm gonna die. How am I not dead? Oh, I thought there was a hole. No hole in the. Okay, there is one. Can see through here. Is that thing gonna survive? I accidentally. This might be my demise. Sitting in a storage container apartment thing. Yeah, that bomb right there is gonna kill me. Game or not. How am I not dead? The debris is covering me. I should be sitting down. Oh, yeah. I should be under the debris in case something else bad happens. Cover myself with debris. Don't check around the debris, you stupid game. Okay. Okay, lift. Up. Oh no, now I'm just being launched out. Cover. Okay, I'm safe. I'm here, sort of. Oh jeez. Oh Jesus. Oh no. Oh no. How am I still alive? Oh, this could be it for the video. It's been 20 minutes and I didn't even realize.